पोई सांगायचं असं साडी अनेक करता होतं
Why don't all the councillors come behind? We are all together.
भाई मास्टर साडी होता कसं हांगा पळय मातसो हांगा पळय फोटो ओके भाई मातसो साडी रा हांगा मोदी येता पुढे रॅम बाहेर
Mayor should say something. No, you start. It's absolutely amazing that we have such a dynamic group in the municipality, in the corporation of Panjim, that they have decided to plant trees in the city of Panjim, which is not an easy job. Continuous problems with shopkeepers saying that this is affecting us, that's affecting us. But we have Maikar Bab here who's got a shop just behind this and has committed, along with the mayor and his team, that these plants will be looked after well. And today, being 18th of June, it's a very significant day. On 18th of June road itself, we're talking of a tree revolution to green the whole of Panjim. So the aim would be to plant at least 300 to 500 trees over a period of time. And hats off to the mayor and his team that they have taken up a project of this type. We are very proud. Goa Forgiving is very proud to be participating in a program like this. Thank you very much. Mayor,
No, also like to thank everyone involved for their initiative also. During the cyclone, there were a lot of trees that got knocked over. So we should actually pledge to replace every single one of those trees that has fallen down also, in addition to the 500 also that we said we should also plant. Panjim should actually be a lot greener than it currently is also. So we'll work towards that goal.
Thank you.
पयर थोडे दीस पयलीं वर्ल्ड एनवायरमेंट डे दिसा हनुमान बाब मेयर आमी सगळ्यांनी मेळून कंपल एरियेंत 10 झाडां रोयिल्लीं आनी आज 18 जून असो बरो दीस आसा जो आमचो गोंयचो इतिहासान बरो दीस आसा सो म्हणल्यार आज 5 झाडां आमी 18 जून रोडार रोयल्या आनी अशीच हनुमान बाब आनी ताच्या टिमीन आनी आमच्या सिटीन आनी सायट सोडल्या जे आमकां आनी जागे रोवपाक मेळटा सो आनी झाडां आमी येणाऱ्या दिसान रोयतले
आता तुमचे 25 जे कॉपरेटर आहात तांकांय तुम्ही हे
प्रत्येक
करतले?
हांगा संजीव आसा प्रमय सो सगळ्यांक इनवॉल्व करूनच सगळ्या बरोबरूच
हय तुमी सगळे
इनिशिएटीव घेतले
कोण घेवन
इतलेंच न्हय आतां हांगा फाटल्यान थोडे दीस पयलीं पयडिल्लें झाड आमी परत रोयलें
हां हां
तशें फाल्यां एनआयओ कडेन आनी एक रोयता सो पणजे ग्रीन आनी क्लीन करपाक आमचो फूल प्रयत्न आसा
ओके थँक्यू हरमन
one of the workers of CGT, the main person, is also going to be planting one.
Okay,
Please take a
we'll
bite of
take.
it. Without his team, nothing would have happened. Yeah, please take it. So you will plant the next plant. Line up. Anisha?
ही भाडी घेता
Just for knowledge, Mahendra has been working. He has been working very hard for this. A lot of the credit will go to him under the leadership of the council, of course.